Your A tools are amazing until they crash your entire Linux system. We're showing you exactly why this happens and the quick fixes that actually work. AI applications demand massive CPU and memory resources. When multiple tools run simultaneously like image generators, WAMAs, and data processors, they compete for kernel resources. Linux struggles allocating threads, memory pages, and I/O operations. Result? System freezes, crashes, or becomes unusable. Understanding this prevents costly downtime for your freelance work. Use top and hop commands to track resource using to avoid disaster strikes. Watch for kernel task queue buildup and swap memory activation. Set up monitoring dashboards. Using tools like Grisha Kamwani activations. Set up monitoring system logs with image for kernel warnings. AI dash for kernel warnings. Early detection saves hours of troubleshooting and lost client deadlines. First, limit concurrent A processes using CPU affinity and groups. Second, increase swap memory intelligently. Not too much, just enough buffer. Third, enable kernel overcommit settings carefully. Fourth, use containerization with Docker to isolate resource-heavy tools. Fifth, upgrade RAM if budget allows. These proven techniques stabilize systems running heavy A workloads reliably. We recommend monitoring stacks, Prometheus for metrics, Grafana for visualization. Use system groups to manage resource allocation. For creators, containerize your workflow with Docker or Podman. Small business teams benefit from Kubernetes for scale deployments. These enterprise-grade solutions prevent kernel overload while running unlimited I. Comment below which I tools are crushing your system.